Hi everyone, this is Heather Barnhart with another Tip Tuesday. This week, I want to demystify a claim that you cannot keyword search inside of binary objects within databases in Physical Analyzer. So in Insights PA10, I'm going to do just that. I am in, and I'm going to zoom in here. I'm in the SMSDB from an iPhone, and I'm down in the message table. And I want to search for a keyword that I know exists. And this keyword is going to be hey there. And as you can see, I get 0 hits. Reason I get 0 hits is this keyword is inside of a binary object. Now, if I click on this little magic button right to the right, it says enable searching in binary blobs. When I click that, I now have a hit. So as I start looking through this blob information, you will find that I will come to the table where the message is stored. And here we can see it's in message summary info. And on the right hand side over here, I have information. Now I'm just going to cheat my way here and I'm going to search for hey there again. I'm going to click search and now I actually have 2 results. And here we can see hey there you up. And we press the button again. And then we see the hey there, and I'll zoom in again. We have hey there you up and hey there you around tonight. Now, this is the remnant of editing a message in iOS. And as you could tell, again, if I don't have this little button to search inside of binary blobs, I will have 0 hits. I cannot stress enough, knowing how to use your tool to keyword search is key. Stay tuned for more Tip Tuesday.
Want more? Subscribe.